Hi, it's Jill Swan from Spoontown, Kent's largest gathering of spoon carvers in the south of England. And this is Jess. This is Jess. She's the Knowler farm dog. Well, one of them. One of the many Knowler farm dogs. She often comes down to the shop to pretend that she's lost and get lots of treats and love from local people. This is the entrance to Spoontown. This is the youth bus, and this is the learning area for children. This is a completely green site with a wildflower meadow in the summer. It's got a low mow rule on it, but paths are mown down so that people can transport themselves. We're going to be camping on the right and teaching on the left. Spoontown. I hope you can join us at www.spoontown.co.uk.